Okay, so I'm doing this multiplayer fish game, and I really needed a tutorial back then about connecting together lobbies, relay and netcode for game objects. And it was really difficult at the beginning because there was no specific tutorial for this. There were only coding tutorials for lobbies or for relay. Or for netcode for game objects, but no one really showed how to connect them. This is a more in-depth tutorial on how to create a general multiplayer game, not how to use lobbies or relay. I will also do tutorials about that in the future, but right now when you click on the play button, you have to choose between single and multiplayer. I will create a lobby right now, and I will leave the settings as default. And I realize I forgot my phone, so be right back.
2 hours later.
Okay, so I got my phone, and yeah, as you can see here I have all the information about the lobby listed. This is the first part of the multiplayer workflow. In the main menu we got no networking at all. In this one we have the lobby manager, which is a script I created, a relay manager, another script I created, and the network manager, which is here. So you can join a lobby in two ways. You could either be the host, and after you create a lobby you also create a relay with a relay allocation, and the players who join this lobby afterwards get a relay code through the data from the lobby, and after this they can connect to the relay with this lobby. And I will try to connect right now from my phone. I joined right here with this blue fish, and in the hierarchy, if you take a closer look, I have a network spawner for every player, which is spawned on the network, and afterwards every network spawner spawns its corresponding fish. So I have this fish clown and fish blue for the phone. For the networking part on the fish, I use the network object and the client network transform scripts. Yeah, besides some box colliders and my fish script. Right now we are both ready, which is a network variable stored on every fish. And if both fish are ready, only the hosts can start the game. I will start it, and right now I am moving my player from the PC, and right now I'm moving the player from the phone. And in this part the game really starts, and you can eat smaller fish than you and avoid bigger fish, because otherwise you lose lives. Rematch. When the game ends, you have the possibility to rematch. That means the game scene will be restarted, but because the fish are network objects, they are not going to be destroyed and reinstantiated. But I reset everything, like the score, the health, and everything the fish gained during the game. Everything is reset, and you start over again when the scene restarts. And this is the final part of the multiplayer workflow, where I really had to code the network behaviors. For example, what happens when you eat a fish, what happens when you collide with a bigger fish, what happens when a natural hazard is taking place, and very important, what happens when you take a power-up. And everything is solely solved with client and server RPCs and network variables. As you can see, I lost from on my phone. That means I'm the boss. If I want to rematch again, a counter starts where the other player has a 20 seconds window to press the rematch button, as I did right now. So the game just restarts and we can play from the beginning with 0 score, 1 life and yeah, everything right as in the beginning. If I, as the host of the lobby and of the relay, leave the game, that means that every player is disconnected and sent to the main menu. This is the downside of using relay instead of dedicated servers. And in case of a massive success for this game, I will consider switching to servers. Very importantly, I discovered this after a while. At the end, there's a very important part. When you quit the game and go to the main menu, the network manager Unity provides will persist because it has the don't destroy and load functionality. The problem with this is that you cannot create a new relay allocation, or I couldn't solve the problem issue. You are the host for the last game, and for the new game, one of your friends creates the lobby and the relay allocation, and you need to join as a client, not as a host or a server. So my solution is to destroy the network manager every time a player quits the game and enters the main menu. So every time you enter the main menu, a script checks if there is a network manager available, and if it is, it destroys it. So it is recreated when you join a new lobby or when you create a new lobby. After you join the new lobby, you join a new relay allocation, and after this, you could start again the game and then exit it, come back to the main menu, the network manager is again destroyed, or respawned if you join a new lobby. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question, because I know this is a really difficult topic to talk about and I really didn't want to bore you with all the details, so I got straight to the point. Good luck with your multiplayer game and see you in the next video.